Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing using your PLR to create a membership site. Now one of the ways that you can leverage PLR is by using it to create a stream of income that's recurring, or in other words, your buyers are going to be paying you on a monthly basis for access to the content you're providing. Now that means that you're creating what's typically called a membership site. Now, there are two primary uses for PLR in your membership. The first, you're going to want to make sure that when your customers walk in the doors or when they first land on your membership site, they see everything they need to succeed. Now, on the one hand, that means that everything you promised them, everything you said in your sales letter, all of that's going to be inside of the membership when they first log in. On the other hand, it means that you're going to have any reference content or tools that'll help them get the most out of that content. And of course, that means that you can purchase that reference content as PLR and have it in your membership when your users get there. So they won't have to worry about knowing HTML, or they won't have to worry about learning WordPress, or they won't have to worry about the technical things that could hold them back from implementing your solution. You have already given that to them through the provision of PLR. Now, the second use for PLR in your membership is to provide unannounced bonuses to your members. And this is a very good way for you to give your customer that added benefit of being in a membership with you. Now, unannounced bonuses allow you to reward your members. It makes it painful for them to cancel. Of course, the most important use for PLR is to provide membership content. Or in other words, you want to make sure you're doing what you promised in your sales letter. That's always going to be first and foremost. But one of the things that you can do is to always make sure you are supplementing that, giving your buyer more than they ask for, over-delivering every single month. Now, if you're an expert in the topic area and you don't have time to create all the content that you promised them, well, you can use PLR to provide some of that content, or to give you that added boost, or to give you something else cutting edge that you can build on to give them that content that you promised them. If you are not an expert in the topic area, you can certainly use PLR to help you with what would be hard for you to create. It would be hard for you, again, to do the research. It would be hard for you to go and learn something when you've got to produce month after month and you've got your other responsibilities in terms of running your business. You will be able to use PLR and leverage it to give your buyers that content. Now, memberships content can be a regular video, it can be an email, or it can be an ebook. It can be any form of content that you put in your sales letter or that will satisfy the need or solve the problem that your members join your membership to solve. Now, you'll want to use the graphics to add some professionalism to the look of your membership area, as well as what you give to the customer in your membership. And of course, all of those are things that you can get through private label rights or resale rights. Now, as we close out this video, one of the things you want to keep in mind is that the average membership site's tenure is going to be 3.5 months. That means that after 3.5 months, people generally start to feel as if they've gotten everything they're going to get out of a membership. Now, that means that you should be providing some kind of extra bump to them on a regular basis. And you can and should use PLR to upgrade your membership. Now, this is different from the unannounced bonus. This is really giving your customer more than they paid for, additional sessions, additional things that they can use, something that they can use in the topic area that you promised them. Again, you should always be bumping up the value so that your buyer sees more and more value from you, and again, making it painful for them to unsubscribe from your membership. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.